Hey there. This is the Pilot, Honda's hugely popular three-row SUV, and for 2019, it's gotten a big makeover. Let's start our look with, well, the Pilot's new look. This has always been a vehicle that's not afraid to take on whatever the world can throw at it, and the new style better reflects its bold capabilities. Everything up front, from the grille on down, has been redesigned to convey a tougher leading edge. Now, every Pilot comes with LED low-beam headlights. And talk about bright. They automatically know when to switch between low and high beam. Along the flanks, new rocker panels occupy the space between the redesigned wheels. 18-inch or 20-inch alloys, depending on the model. And the view from round back features new lights as well as an updated lower edge that gives this Pilot a solid, grounded presence. Styling isn't all that's new on the outside. The Pilot Touring and Elite models add hands-free access to their power tailgate for 2019. So you can deposit armloads of cargo directly into the back without having to push a button. Ooh, look at all that room in there. Plus, the Pilot Elite now comes with side mirrors that can power fold in, out of harm's way, at the push of a button. And in a first for a Honda, those side mirrors also have auto dimming to help reduce glare from following headlights. That's just what's new on the outside of the 2019 Pilot. Our other videos contain even more on this big update. In addition, there's lots of info at pilot.honda.com. Plus, your nearest Honda dealer is offering no obligation test drives today.